Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. We have just come out with a Baron Economy 36. Because of the pricing today and the economic conditions, a lot of these companies are overcharging their customers for equipment that is not as good, not engineered correctly. They use propane heaters, smaller engines and blowers. And because we've been a 19-year builder, we can do this. We're factory. So we're allowing the bridge, and rather than people turn back into portables because they can't afford truck mounts, we have a really beautifully priced called the Baron Economy 36. And you can get 450 feet of hose on this. It's got the same quarter plate frame base, the access point heat exchanger patented design. Again, we're a 19-year builder. You won't have any dangerous propane. You can still get pressures up to 2,500 psi. It's going to be a beautiful truck mount with a poly tank, a 100-gallon poly tank, which is a recovery tank that's built with half-inch material and is proven in the industry to handle 24 hgs of mercury lift vacuum pressure. So with all of that, this package is hitting the market. We're getting a lot of response. It's only been like within 24 hours. You will love the results of this unit. It looks similar to the Aviator 36, but it doesn't have the long pipe in the back. It's very streamlined, very well put together unit, and we'll have it up and running very soon. It's usually within a three-week assembly and delivery. You will be very happy and satisfied. Read our testimonies. Everything on this unit is similar, much similar to the Aviator 36, but much more nicely priced. And like I said, we've been out in the industry. We've proven ourselves, long track record of long testimonials of the results and our customer service and the quality of what we put into our units. So don't buy a unit that's overpriced because they got maybe 2 layers of middlemen in the middle. You want factory, and factory will give you the best price in this economy. This is why we call it the Baron Economy 36. And it represents the size of the blower, which is similar to a Roots 36, 3006 Tut Hill. And we're using a URS blower, and I'll tell you, it's similar to a 36 Roots, very powerful displacement, positive displacement vacuum that will give you excellent results. We don't tie down our exhaust systems. We individually make each function separate, so the blower side and the vacuum side is separated from the heat exchanger side. That's why we get maximum performance on both of those components. Look us up at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Call us today at 727-505-2989. I'm really excited about it. We've got a long list of people. I've had a great response as a result of this, because people know that a 19-year builder with 45 years experience knows what he's doing, and we have the testimonies to prove it. 727-505-2989. Thank you.